Oh, someone on digital issue, hey? Hope you guys are doing great so far. Today I feel like singing this beautiful track from band Pink Floyd. The track is called Comfortably Numb. I'm sure a lot of people have heard this song. It's very popular, one of the track from Pink Floyd. And I'll try my best and hope you will like it. Hello, hello, is there anybody in there? Just know if you can hear me. Is there anyone home? Come on now. I hear you're feeling down. I can ease your pain, get you on your feet again. Relax, relax. I'll need some information first. Just the basic facts. Can you show me where it hurts? There is no pain you are receiving. A distant sheet, smoke on the horizon. You're only coming through in waves. Your lips move, but I can't hear what you say. When I was a child, I had a fever. My hands felt just like two balloons. Now I've got that feeling once again. I can't explain, you would not understand. This is not how I am. I've become comfortably numb. I've become comfortably numb. Okay, just a little pinprick. There'll be no more, but you may feel a little sick. Can you stand up? I do believe it's working good. That'll keep you going through the show. Come on, it's time to go. There is no pain you are receiving. A distant sheet, smoke on the horizon. You're the only coming through in waves. Your lips move, but I can't hear what you say. When I was a child, I caught a fleeting glimpse out of the corner of my eye. I turned and looked back, but it was gone. And I put my finger on it now. The child is grown, the dream is gone. I have become comfortably